Break, Elliot. What's up, my brothers? What's up, my brothers? Uh, what's up, TikTok Live as well? TikTok, what's up? For any of you who are on TikTok, feel free to come over to YouTube chat as well. Yo, 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 yo. I'll cover by shortly, guys. What's up, Fortune, Max? I want to eat turtles. Astraf, what's up, brother? Happy to see you too, man. Fucking love being live, bro. Love being here every day. Yep, I'll cover bias, brother. You're not live on YouTube? I am live on YouTube, bro. Speaking of, you reminded me I gotta post the Discord that we're live. You trade gold? Sometimes on my Forex account, yeah. Right now I'm looking for, I think I'm looking for a long on USD CHF for Forex. Okay. Let's open up the charts. Let's notify the Discord that we're live. No, I'll trade NASDAQ today. Always gonna be day trading NASDAQ. You backtested this strategy? You didn't backtest enough then, brother. You didn't backtest enough. How's live treating you? Life's good, bro. I'm gonna have a free base for the next like 3 months. So that's always interesting. Always interesting. What's CPI? CPI is the 830 candle. Any advice for HS? What is HS? High school? What's HS? What's up, Alibaba? Dragon, Yashiv? What's up, Max? Yeah, of course, trading day. I love trading CPI day. What stock you trade called ES? Any advice for high school, bro? Um, what advice? I don't know. You need girl advice, bro? Do you need trading advice? Do you need life advice? What type of advice are we talking about, bro? What kind of advice are we talking about? Yesterday we caught a win. Let's see if we can catch another one today. Although that's not the goal, right? The goal is just to follow the rules. But let's see if we can get rewarded for following the rules today. Daily chart. My eyes jump immediately to one thing, which is previous day's high. Already taken on ES. Um, Yo, Bull and Co. This is what I need you to do, bro. Every time you send a text, bro, just run it through Google Translate, bro. I said. This guy said, what is this? Somali? What is this? Spanish? Brazil, Brazil. Good morning, friends. May we see the best opportunities for today. This guy's lit. Okay, I got you, bro. Got you, bro. I would hold XRP, yeah. If it was me. What's up, buddy? ES took previous day high. We did a small bearish fair value gap on ES. I think we're bullish. AMD stock at. I've been watching AMD stock for a while. Thinking about buying soon. When's their next earnings? February. Okay. It's okay, buddy. It's gonna happen. You better get used to it, bro. It's about to happen 100 more times. You know? Oh yeah. Very bullish. Wow. Okay. Yeah, it looks like we're coming straight for previous day high. We were right about that 1 day reversal. Another all-time high? I guess. Maybe. It looks like it so far. What the fuck is it? Oh. Thank you for the roses, brother. Not too many clear objectives for yes. The 4-hour Sibi here. I don't think I would short though, if I'm being honest. I mean, look at this order flow. Did gold pump as well? Yeah. No, I don't look at the 99 candle. Sibi and FEG. For your purposes, there's no real difference. It's just a Sibi, right? A Sibi is just an imbalance, a fair value gap. A fair value gap, you expect it to be traded to offer fair value. Does that make sense? We have CPI news in 9 minutes, brother. That was an hour ago. You were late, bro. You are late. CPI was 1 hour ago. I feel you, buddy. I feel you. Trust me. I feel like all I do is get the bias right and miss the move or take the wrong trade. I mean, it's not the cleanest daily AMD, but this is a manipulation leg, and if you're expecting -4, you're expecting previous day high. So yeah, I would love the 15-minute bullish fair value gap here. Do I think it's gonna happen? It might just go up at 9:30, bro. I mean, this could be a short from previous day high. That's a long. I'm looking for near continuation. Yeah. You think we reverse all this move? I don't think we have what it takes. You have any other news today? Crude oil 10:30. Okay. I think Nasdaq still wants to go higher. I don't think ES is going to reverse either. I mean, it could. It definitely could. It just looks like a Tuesday reversal, you know? Just looks like a classic Tuesday reversal. Came into the daily fair value gap. I mean, I did say I wanted to see ES come into this level. We fell short. We never touched the weekly Sibi on ES. I mean, listen, if we start to displace aggressively lower, we can look for a continuation in short around 10:30, maybe silver bullet 10:50. For now, we're gonna look for that previous day high level. And for above previously high, we got the rejection block on the weekly. No, it's not a rejection. On the daily, sorry. Appreciate all the gifts, guys. Yep, already took. I think we go lower though. Still, I mean, I think NQ will still take. When did we take previous day high on ES? Just recently. I mean, we'll see. I mean, there's no rush. Let's see what happens. We'll just wait and see. One more thing. Let's mark out our new day opening gap. Also, your new week opening gap. We're gonna have a fat RTH gap. Market opens in 4 minutes. Yes, sir. Watching YouTube and TikTok. Appreciate you, bro. I'll show you my fib settings. 1 sec. 1 second here. Let's get the new day opening gap. We closed here. Open there. Yeah, I'm not gonna mark the opening gap. Just mark the new week. Just mark the new week. All right, that's all the levels. All the levels I'm focused on. Oh, and we'll mark out the org gap as well. I mean, ICT says 70% of the time we'll fill out 50%. I'm bullish. I want to see it move lower and then higher. But once we take previous day high, we'll reevaluate. Is that how big is that gap? 50 points. Holy shit. What's up, Toppy? I want to see a continuation. If we just run up right away and take the highs, we'll have to reevaluate. My only bias right now is I think we take previous day high. Just because we're so bullish. Okay, market's open in 1 minute. We can mark the 30-minute fair value gap that formed, I guess. All right, let's see what happens here. I mean, in my opinion, because we're so close, I feel like it's just gonna all the way up. Daily profile is bullish. The only thing that it technically could still be a New York reversal. But for us to get something like this, that's a lot of freaking movement, you know? It's possible. But you'd have to really be bearish on the higher time frame. Which I'm not really bearish on the higher time frame yet. You know? If you think we're bearish today, that means you're basically saying we're gonna undo this whole move. 180 points. That's a lot of order flow. That's been bullish. It's possible, but it's unlikely. But if we are going to do it, it'll probably be from previous day high. So that's why I'm bullish right now. That's why I'm currently bullish. Okay, 9:30. See what happens. We'll mark out this 15-minute fair value gap. Oh, it doesn't really matter. I don't think I would long it. Unless, yeah, I don't know. Let's just wait and see. I think previous day high is going to be taken, and we're just going to go from there. Not overthink it. It might be pretty sloppy until 10 a.m. as well. That's possible. Is crude oil at 10:30? And we already expanded a lot. Yes, it did take previous day high. Well, how many times did I tell you guys? I don't know how many times I can say it. Don't let SMT determine your bias, man. The SMT is not the reason we're going to go lower. Have your bias first. Forget about SMT. Frame your bias and then use SMT to confirm the reversal. Don't do it the other way around. I promise you guys. It makes a big difference. You need a reason the market's going to move, right? If the market, even if it was bearish, if the market's going to reverse, it's very likely to take previous day high first anyways, you know? Because if it's going to reverse, I mean, it's going to reverse from like a large pool of liquidity. Look at that fat opening range gap. God damn. We can mark out the quadrants, I guess. I haven't done this in a while. But it's like a big fat fair value gap, basically. So we can mark it. What is your bias? You see the gap, you have to click regular trading hours, and you'll see the big gap. What's my bias? Right now, I think we take previous day high. That's my only bias right now. It's too. I don't know if we're gonna reverse from previous day high. I don't think so. But we can definitely get a move lower from previous day high, but I wouldn't say a full reversal. So maybe we look for something like this. Maybe we'll just have to wait and see. My only bias right now is I think we take previous day high. Yeah, I'll take you trading today since there is news? Yeah, I don't mind trading today. For me personally. What's up, Tyler? Appreciate everyone coming through on YouTube, TikTok. We got 130 people on YouTube. Appreciate you guys coming through. See if we can figure something out. Looks like we might go to previous day high. Even though ES took previous day high first. Bro, I'm telling you, forget about SMT. SMT comes after. Why are you bullish? Just the order flow is very bullish. And it looks like a classic Tuesday reversal where Tuesday goes into a key level. See, Monday, Tuesday lower. And just expansion from there. You know? Weekly power of 3, daily power of 3. They both point upwards. And order flow is bullish as well. Why wouldn't I be bullish? Like, why would someone be bearish here? Why would someone think that this is gonna all wick and just come down here? That we just took previous day high. There you go. I mean, that was not tradable because we just went there and took it right away. But how do you get into trades without knowing anything? You don't, bro. You go learn first. Yep, new week. Yeah, so how far above previous day high? We can go into new week opening, maybe. Maybe, we'll see. Is there a clean 4-hour order block? There's no really clean 4-hour order block. There's a clean hourly order block right here. And then you see your hourly propulsion block because I see it tapped into the. But nah, I mean, man, all-time highs today? I don't know. It wouldn't be nice, I tell you that much. But you can't let that make your bias. Data wick low. But why would you expect it to go there? How can we determine whether it's a reversal once it hits previous day high? You need to predict the reversal before you look at the level it's going to reverse from. You know? You need to look at the daily chart and say, I think we can trade down to this swing low. I think the weekly power of 3 is bearish. If you're bearish on the daily, then of course you can expect reversal from previous day high. You know, you think it's going to go down, right? But if Tuesday manipulated into the daily fair value gap, and you look at Wednesday and you already start expanding past Tuesday's high, you know, like this is a 4-hour CISD. Like we're probably gonna come to the buy side level here, you know. I mean, it's possible we reverse, but just look at the order flow. The PO3, the bias, the weekly PO3, the daily PO3, the order flow, they all point higher. There isn't really anything that tells you it's gonna go lower. Someone, yeah, Tough, you said the weekly ES didn't touch the weekly FEG. Yes, you're right. But ES did have that weekly immediate rebalance. So you're right, it didn't touch the weekly FEG. It did not touch a weekly volume imbalance. It came close, fell short, but it did offer the weekly immediate rebalance. It could go lower, man. It could. I mean, ES is weaker than Nasdaq, so but you can short NQ. It's gonna be hard to time a retracement here. If it was me, I would wait for a retracement and then wait for like the retracement to fail, and then look for a long. That's how I usually do it. It just touched the NWOG. No, it didn't. I don't think it did. Yeah, it didn't. That's your NWOG right there. How is ES weaker? NQ is trading higher than ES. NQ is trading all the way almost near this new week opening gap. You gonna wait till crude oil? No. Why it doesn't give any retirement? I'm gonna assume you mean to say retracement. Tarek, you have the right idea, but you need to think about this yesterday. Think about it like this. Yesterday, price was so cheap, people were chasing it to see it lower. This is where they accumulated all their longs, and as soon as that volatility comes, you see that injection of the longs. Longs are being distributed right now. You know, that was the narrative here. Look at the market maker model here. We can see what happens from previous day high. For me to be convinced of shorts, man, I don't know. Every short is risky. I'd rather wait for a short to fail. Like I'd rather just wait for like this. You know? Turtle soup. If you just short previous day high, I mean, I wouldn't even call it turtle soup, but you're just hoping it goes lower from previous day high. You have to be bearish to sell above a high. I agree with it, too expensive. I wouldn't long this ever. Yeah, London took Asia. My NY is wrong. Hold on, let's just make this simple. Not wrong, bro. This is where we closed. Friday, 16:59, and this is where we opened. NY was correct. NY was correct. And maybe if you get a bearish breaker here, you can look to short to the 15-minute fair value gap, which is these equal lows. It's not the worst trade. You'd have to get the breaker though. Yeah, I mean, I'm not. But why would I be bearish? How can anyone look at the chart right now and say, "Oh yeah, this is going down"? What? How? What are you seeing, man? You can't just look at the left side and be like, "Oh, I think it's gonna reject from here. Oh, I think it's gonna reject from here. Oh, I think it's gonna reject from here," just because there's PD arrays there. You know, that's not how it works. You have to be bearish. You have to be bearish to begin with. You have to say, "Oh, you know what? I really think price is gonna come here because blah 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 blah. We manipulated higher, blah blah blah, like whatever it is, you know." You can't be like, "Oh, order block. I want to see it reject. Oh, fair value gap, 30-minute. I think it's gonna reject. Oh, previous day high. Oh, no week opening," and you just keep picking PD arrays, waiting for it to give you a bit. Well, it's just chasing, bro. You're just chasing the short. All right. You need to find PD array. PD array, bro. How do you define this? PD array is a premium or discount, I don't know, tool, resource pattern, like fair value gap, order blocks, developed by ICT to help navigate price. That's some quality info. That's what I'm saying. That's not true. Bias could change easily within the session. Sure, the bias could change, but why would anyone be bearish right now? I mean, I'm not saying it can't go lower. Just to be clear, that's not what I'm saying. I'm just saying, don't just keep looking. In fact, if we get a breaker here, I might actually short to the sell side level. I might actually short to the sell side level. It's not even close to 2R though, so never mind. I think Qualo probably blew his account today, if I have to be honest. But we'll see. You never know. Never know. Hopefully he fought through that urge. The bias could change. I'm not saying it can't go lower. As of right now, I don't have a clear bias. My bias was previous day high. We just took previous day high. Now I need more information. Yeah, I can agree if you expect a retracement. Yeah, you can expect retracement. I can agree with that. I'd also expect some retracement. 2690? 2690? What's 2690? The hell is 2690? Looking for rejection off NWOG. For any range keys, I always use the wicks. I always use the wicks. It's probably going to be sloppy here until 10, 10:30 maybe. We just wait. We didn't even get a clean PL3 just. I mean, my bias was bullish to previous day high and then just above new week opening gap. That's why I marked these levels. Not really a trade opportunity though. So for now, we're going to have to wait. There it is, new week opening gap hit. The reason I marked this is because it's just relative equal lows, and it's also a 15-minute. It's also a 15-minute fair value gap. So here, I'll make this simple. Relative equal lows. Relative equal lows. You can see that expansion right through. So where could we keep going? New week opening gap high. All-time high is there as well. I mean, ES is in a 4-hour bearish fair value gap. Great new week opening gap high. Makes sense. There it is, new week opening gap high. Not really tradable here. I mean, you can trade it, but like, well, I would never trust this trade. Like, even that's not too hard, you know? Like, I'm not taking that. Ever, personally, I'm not taking that. Where I think 10 will go. I mean, let's get 15 minutes of more information, and then let's see if it's clear. Someone said watch this area. We might get new all-time highs today, guys. I don't know. It's only 50 points away. It's only 50 points away. If we take all-time highs, man, I might just be uninterested at that point. Rip Q-Dog. The stream likes Koala, huh? Should I tell him to join? Oh, he has an exam today, bro. Hopefully he didn't fail. Advice how to watch ICT when he yaps all the time about random stuff. You gotta stick through it, brother. Gotta stick through it. Because in the middle of those long-ass yaps, he'll actually say something that's gonna be very, very important. So we got a closure above, new week opening gap, order flow still bullish. No signs of bearish order flow whatsoever. Still bullish. And this is all-time highs. And then if we take all-time highs today, man, it's a long day AMD. Is it too late to buy AMD? How's NY different than yours? Watching the same broker? What's your broker? There's no. It's not a broker difference. It's the same. It's just Nasdaq. Are you trading Nasdaq? There's no broker difference. It's just the CME data. Everyone has the same data. What's your bias? I've been bullish. My bias was for these 3 levels to get hit. They all got hit. Now I'm just waiting for more information. You know, I don't think nothing here is tradable for me, right? You had to get in like yesterday if you wanted to be a part of this, in my opinion. You had to get in yesterday. Or the London order block. Yep, all-time high is gonna hit me. Most likely. I mean, the last level I would look at is 50% of the wick, which is 267. But I mean, if we're gonna come all this way, I'd probably expect it just to take the high, you know? But you never know. You never know. I like to mark my levels. It's not mitigated, man. The word is not mitigated. People should have mitigated. It's not mitigated. You use the word mitigated to it's called it's for minimizing loss. Like mitigated means minimizing loss. You mitigate your loss when price reaches a mitigation block. Like if price is going up like this, right? And it touches the mitigation block, it's for people to mitigate their losses who went short. That's why it's a mitigation block, right? That's it. It's not like, oh, price tapped the level is mitigated. Bro, what? Mitigated? What? Do you even know what mitigated means, bro? What even does mitigated mean? I don't even know, bro. What does mitigated mean? I say me? To make something less harsh or severe. See? So that's exactly. It's for mitigating losses. That's what a mitigation is. It's not like you touch a level and say, oh, we mitigated the all-time high. What? What does that mean, bro? You made it less harsh? What? What are you talking about? What you talking about? If you reject on RPG, we consider short? No. I'm not shorting. I don't know how I'm gonna short this. there isn't much. I mean, let's just wait and see, you know? Let's just wait and see. Don't make it too complicated on myself here. We've already traded up to the high of it. Long NQ, short ES? Yeah, that's stupid, bro. I don't know about that. Don't take that advice. In my opinion, we go to all-time highs. I can't imagine we put a failure swing here this close above the rejection block. We already took the rejection block. We're already there, you know, invalidated the rejection block pretty much. If it was gonna reverse, it would literally reverse right now. Like it would just, you know. If this happens, sure, maybe I'll short, maybe, but do I really think it's gonna undo all these candles right now? Probably not. Probably not. I mean, just count the black candles. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah. Little consolidation here, and then I think pump it to all-time highs. If it did something like this, gave me an inversion, yeah, maybe I'll take that like a B. That's a very mediocre setup, but I mean, I'd be breaking rules actually. I don't know what setup that is. PO3 continuation means I need to look for a higher time frame fair value gap. So we're not getting that. So if I take any trades now, I'm breaking rules. So I'm not gonna trade any longs. I'm saying I'd be breaking rules because the only profile here is the daily power of 3, New York continuation. We are already way past -4, you know, from the low of day. Like I'm just not even expecting a retracement. At this point, all-time highs. Never seen the 6-hour time frame, but you can check. Look, like you can check, like bro, 321-minute time frame, bro. What you know about the 321? What you know about what about the 111 time frame, bro? What about the 666 time frame, bro? Bro, it's so clear on the 666, bro. How could you not see it? What's the lucky number? 777. I'll probably get. What number would the algorithm use? Probably like 333, right? Damn, that actually is pretty clean. Just a clean change in the state there. No, I didn't take a trade. I would have broken rules if I took any trade. What about 10 a.m. reversal? Paul, why do you think it's gonna reverse at 10 a.m.? Do you even know what that means, bro? You think this whole move is gonna reverse at 10 a.m.? Hell nah, bro. Yeah, ES is doing nothing. I mean, yo, listen, to be honest, if NQ takes all-time highs, we get the S&T and ES starts to reject the 4-hour, that could start being the move for lower prices. ES would have to reject the 4-hour. And we'll go from there. I still think all-time highs gets taken though. Me too, Aaron. Bias was bullish. Looking for shorts? Nah. Maybe, but so far my bias is bullish. Nothing has convinced me of shorts. Not a single thing has told me this is gonna go lower. Don't chase price, guys. Yo, you guys just want it to reverse. You guys just want it to reverse. Everyone who keeps saying, yo, it's gonna reverse, bro. You just want it to, man. You just want it to take out all these fucking lows, bro. Like, I mean, shit, I wanted to too, bro. I wanted to. But, you know, don't just keep chasing. I call this right in pre-market. It's too bad you don't have an entry in your bag for this. Yeah, I know. Very typical. You know, if we came down just a little bit to the 15-minute fair value gap right here, I could have argued an entry that meets my criteria, but we had one move down at 9:30 and that was it. You know? That's not enough, man. That's not enough for me. I need more than that. You know? I need more than that. Need more than that. So yeah, I can't take that trade. See, let me tell you guys something. Let me tell you guys something. This is gonna be a gem for you guys. You know what? Wait a minute. Wait a minute. I think I put something in my notes on my phone to remind myself to tell you guys tomorrow. Hold up. Hold up. I'm not even joking. Unless it was a dream. Might have been a dream. Fuck, I never finished the sentence. I put in my notes, I just said, if you are going to, and then I just cut the sentence. Fuck. I forgot. Oh well. Yeah. Never mind then, guys. My bad. But what I was gonna say was, listen. So if today's gonna close bullish, right? And when I say close bullish, I mean you expect that the candle to close around the high of day, right? Which is what we're expecting because it's very bullish, right? Weekly power of three, daily power of three, bullish order flow from the key level on Tuesday. Not much more to it than that. So if that's gonna happen, that just means any move down is just a retracement, right? So don't hold any trades because you know we're gonna close near the high of day. So if we move down, just know that it's like destined. It's almost destiny to just go back up. Unless obviously I'm wrong, but I feel like the chances of a reversal here, like I'm not scared to say it, bro. The chances of a full reversal, I mean, let's just see. Let's just see. So ES actually looks pretty bearish. I'm not gonna lie. ES looks decently bearish. But I would not want to fight this order flow. If it comes a little bit lower, maybe we can long, man. The 5-minute, maybe. I'd be really surprised if they don't take all-time highs here. Why are you saying it's not going to reverse when it is? Because it's not. It could retrace, but I don't think it's going to reverse. Maybe this is a dream too. Shit. ES working to hit the bearish. Yeah, ES is inside the bearish 4-hour. Just made 1,500. I'm so happy. Bro, don't be happy, bro. It's just business, bro. Next time you're going to lose 1,500, and it's still going to be just business. Where's ICT? I don't know. You want me to text him? You want me to text him, bro? You did read it wrong. Yes, I did the 15-minute FEG you looked at. Wait, what are we talking about here? Oh, at 9:30 you mean? Yep, you're right. ES did tap in, actually. ES did tap in at 9:30. Let's see if it would have given an entry. Yeah, you could have. I mean, still premium. Well, we had the SMT. I mean, yeah, it's there. It's there. I wouldn't give it A+, but you can definitely enter this trade. You can definitely enter this trade. 15-minute fair value gap on ES. NQ is more bullish. It's very risky, though. It's very risky. You would have had to enter at. Yeah, no, you can enter on NQ on that premise for sure. I would have done that, but it's still too risky for. Like, I think even if would I have taken it? I'm just trying to ask myself, would I have taken it? Would I have taken it? I don't think I would have taken it, man. I don't think I would have taken it either way. It's just too far in premium. If I took it, listen, if I took the trade and it did something like this, I would know exactly why I lost. Because I'd be like, yeah, it makes sense. It just wanted to tap in and wanted to take the loads, It wanted to retrace deeper, It's just because now that it didn't do that, I'm saying, oh, yeah, you could have taken, If I took it, like, yeah, I don't think I would have taken it. At least I hope I wouldn't have. I hope I wouldn't have. A daily premium mindset, it's not. No, we didn't take a trade. What peer correlation for NASDAQ? The peer I'm using is S&P 500. That is the peer, brother. That is the peer. No, we didn't trade today. No, none of my entry. No models. If I took a trade today, I would have broke rules. Are you gonna trade today? Yeah, maybe. If I can see a setup that meets my criteria. You pay for real-time data on S&P. I pay for real-time data on CME Group. So that's just includes all the futures. Yeah. Can't trade without real-time data. You need that. Sure as hell need that. I mean, it's not the worst setup, Toffee. It's not my criteria. And for my New York continuation model, which is also in the notes, I need to see a retracement into a 15-minute fair value gap and then an inversion. You know, that's my criteria, and that didn't even happen here or here. I mean, yeah, you could argue this. You could argue this. It's not. I mean, inversed. It's not clean for me. It's not clean enough. Too far in premium. I'd be interested in taking longs. Target what? This 9 point. But yeah, bro. The only way I could long this is if I literally I click buy right now, put my stop loss here, put the TP here, and as soon as it hits TP, I just break even and do this. Like, that's literally the only way I could long right now. Like literally, that's the only way. Inefficient market equals technicals don't work. Why is the market inefficient? Oh, you're saying like it's being manipulated? Yeah, I mean, I'd expect like a sharp. Do I believe December's PA is bad? I more than believe, bro. I know it's bad. At least in market makers don't dictate the market anymore. What, you think they just quit? You think they were like, man, fuck this shit. Let's give it over to Trump or some shit. Nah, bro, I'm pretty sure they do, You're not gonna take out their CPI for a while. Wait, what time did you trade, Foggy? Will January be better? Usually it starts getting better midway through January. Midway through January, usually second week of January starts picking up. I trade like 9 a.m. on gold. It's been tough, bro. I mean, this is fucking ass. I mean, if you clicked buy and you had a decent stop loss, if you clicked buy and you had a decent stop loss, good job, man. You probably found W trade today. Yeah, but I'm here to stick to my rules. I'm not here to make money, bro. I'm not here to prove anyone anything. I'm not here to make money. I'm not here for any of that. I'm here to try and follow my rules in front of you guys and answer some questions people want. What's a valuation change, bro? I mean, yeah, if realistically, if I had to go back in hindsight and study the move, right? For me, it's the breaker right here. It's the breaker or this order block. You know, if you're bullish on the day, you know London lows can be protected. So I'm sure someone probably took a trade like this. Who knows what's going on? Then you have your time distortion and 8:30 volatility comes and you go. I just caught a 29 RR, no partials on my 400K funded. I'm over the moon. How many times does your strategy pop up a day? How many times does it pop up a day? I mean, usually every day. Following your rules equals making money for real. I mean, EQ just a rocket, gold had decent structure, but I think they're just enticing to shorts or longs. It's so annoying, Poggy. I know, bro. I know exactly what you mean when you say that, bro. It's like it wants you. It's like, come on, short it, short it, short. I go like reverse. Like it gives you all the criteria to enter, and then it just fucking reverses. Let's see what happened. I mean, yeah. Look at this. What is this? London inside Asia. 15-minute fair value gap, 8:15, 9:30. Oh, I should have canceled my gold long. Are we just gonna? I hope it will not make a new high. Did you click short? What's your favorite soccer team? Bro, I don't really watch soccer, bro. Sometimes, guys, sometimes I just sit back, yo, just imagine this. Like, everyone listen, bro. Like, sometimes I just sit back, I'm like, holy shit, bro. There's like 300 people watching me right now, bro. Like, there's 300 people just staring at the screen, like, listening to the words I'm saying, bro. Like, what? That's kind of crazy, no? Don't you guys agree? The only indicator I use is this one. All it does is it marks out PM session from yesterday, Asia session, London session, and then it marks out the opening prices for me just to save me some time. That's all it does. It doesn't give you liquidating on screen. Yeah, okay, buddy. I'm about to short in case you're a nice dude, bro. I am a nice dude, bro. There it is. All-time highs. Settings for your indicator. These are the settings. So Asia, just take a screenshot real quick. Keep doing what you're doing. Appreciate you, bro. New all-time highs. Yup. My favorite thing. You're shorting the 1 minute IATG after all-time highs? Yeah, your balls are like this big, bro. That's crazy work. Could never be me personally. Worst CPI. Took a screenshot of your face. That's it, bro. What? Take a. What the fuck is? Alright, bro. This is it right here. This is the trade of the century. Dun, dun, dun. Thoughts? Just imagine, bro. How do you take profits on all-time highs? So how do I take profits? What does that mean, bro? Oh, I mean, what do I aim for? Will you short? ES. If ES can leave the 4 hour, then maybe. Bro, take this in. You're already at 2R, bro. It gets that easy, man. It's already at 3R. Oh my god. Trading is so easy, bro. Alright, we're break even. We're break even. Can we hit 105 RR? Break even, break even. Unlucky, bro. I hope you guys took partial. I hope you guys took partials, bro. That's my 4R for today. YM reversed? What the fuck? It's crazy. What is YM doing, bro? That's why I don't trade YM, bro. YM does its own thing. It shit is not correlated. It's like the evil twin, bro. It just does its own thing. Yeah, I mean, guys, I don't know what you guys see in shorts, but come on, you literally can't miss it. Like, bro, and you take in, guys, people had the audacity. Listen, everyone on YouTube, people on TikTok had the audacity. They came to my TikTok stream and they were like, bro, are you dumb? It's obviously going down. Like, bro, it's obviously a short day. Bro, where are you now? What are you talking about? What? Like, where do you see shorts? Yo, someone in. I'm trading lean hogs right now. Let's swap over to crude, bro. Same shit every day, bro. People always come here and diss my bias and then they leave. I didn't take any trades. No way I can trade this. But you know what? We can check out some crude oil. You know, hell no. Staying away from that. You know they're waiting for those inventory numbers. Let's go over to gold. What? No, I'm just joking. Gold. Damn, what happened in the last What happened in the last 3 minutes, bro? Okay. What's next? What's next? Uh, what's Euro USD futures looking like? How do you even do that? What's the Euro? This one? Euro futures. Stick to eat. Appreciate you, bro. There it is. Damn. Bearish spot. Alright, bro. Lean hogs. Someone said lean hogs futures. Ah, hell nah. Oh, hell no. You are not trading this. What the hell is this, bro? There is no way you're actually trading this. Bro, what? What are you trading, man? There's nothing to trade. What? What is this? Lean hog futures is crazy. I don't want to trade YM, bro. I've never taken a trade on YM. YM always gives these clean reversals, though, to be honest. Lean dog. There's an order block on lean hogs. New plan. Bro, honestly, I'm not even joking, you guys. You could probably just press buy and pray that it goes above your price limit, like at least like 0.5 R, and then just better stop break even and fucking pray, bro. Like it's not even the worst. I'm not gonna do it because I'm here to follow rules. But for those of you who are, lifetime gamblers, if you're gonna gamble, at least have strategy to do it correctly. How does people liquidity last night for yesterday's session? Looking for reversals? No, man, I don't think so. I just bought and it went up, made 1.6K. Has it ever been a reversal after expansion? Yeah, it can be, but not like this, man. This is not expansion, bro. This is the reversal, This is the higher time frame reversal. Right there. Like after reversal, yeah, you didn't expect retracement. So when it's done distributing, you expect your retracement. What the fuck is this PA? I started trading in the worst year and month. Probably, bro. If you started trading in like November, December, yeah, I feel bad for you. Nah, no trades today. My model did not hit. I would have broke rules if I took any trades today. I know damn well. I would have broke rules. I mean, you could long. I mean, not long, but like you could target all-time highs on ES. I don't know if it's gonna get there. How do you know when PA is better? When it don't look like this, it's probably better. Yep, price just took off. CPI never came back, never looked back. We got two, like even got no bearish candles, bro. I mean, there was one. For me, it's not relative equal lows, relative equal lows, relative equal lows. I mean, I don't think it's gonna go there anymore. I was looking for a long from here. If we got like something like this, I could have long there. That would have met my model criteria, but we didn't get that. We had a breaker. Where's your breaker, bro? There's no breaker. 9 a.m. breaker? There's no breaker here. It's a mitigation. Far back. What does he? CE and mean threshold? CE is for a gap. Consequent encroachment of a gap because the gap encroaches consequently. I just made that shit up, bro. But consequent encroachment is of a gap. Mean threshold is of a order block. Like mean threshold is a candle. So order block, breaker block, mitigation block. You use mean threshold. For a gap, you use consequent encroachment. On which platform? I'm using TradeAway right now. I'm using Apex. Longs on possible pullback. Yeah, you could. That's what I would do if I had to trade. But I'd be breaking rules if I did that, if I'm being honest. So I don't think I can trade today. Not in my time window, at least. There isn't enough time, for it to give me a good setup. It would need to come down quite a bit. See 50% average. Exactly, user. Did you use any other sources? How long do you think you've been watching ICT? I heard you guys you spend so much. I'll tell you guys what I did, bro. I've watched 2022 mentorship 4 times. Okay, one of the time it was sped up. I watched 2016 mentorship 3 times. One of the times it was sped up. I've seen 2023 the key episodes. I've watched them like twice, and then I've seen most of the lectures in 2023. I've seen the market maker primer ICT Forex, and I've seen. I think that's it actually. Nope, I didn't use any other sources. All ICT. Oh, and 2024 I've seen, obviously, of course. Is bro selling a course still? ICT? Or me? Watch ICT No Rant is a 2022 model, but video just 15 minutes long. Who put you on ICT? I actually found it myself, bro. I was literally, listen, I used to trade support and resistance, bro. I don't like his sniper series. I have watched it. I don't like it that much. I literally found it myself. I was trading support and resistance, and I saw this video on TikTok, and then it was like, oh, what's better? ICT or SMC. And I was like, what? What even is that? Or I saw like an interview and someone was like, oh, I trade SMC, and another guy said I trade ICT, and I was like, what the fuck is that, bro? Like I just trade support and resistance, you know. And I was like, wait, what is that? Then I watched like a video and I was like, oh shit, it's a person. I was like, let me go learn this shit. And I watched 2022 and I was like, holy shit, this is fucked. And then I went back and I tested and I was like, holy shit, it actually works. Like it actually works, bro. Like I literally went back into the trust and I was like, what the fuck, bro? Like I'm actually reading it. Like it actually makes sense. We took the logo, we got the fair value gap, price enters to offer fair value, dumps. I think gold is bullish. I don't think I would short this. Nah, yeah, same thing. Like, bro, 4 hour. Nah, I think gold is bullish. Gold is playing off the monthly. Gold is playing off the monthly fair value gap. So again, the way I would trade it is just look for a retracement and then long. So for example, long this 1 hour. But I actually missed my fill. Or long the daily. Ooh, the daily looks nice. If we can get this daily, that's not even 2 hour, man. Fuck this shit. What was your bias on NQ coming? Bullish, 100%. You can ask the chat. Broski, look at the 15-minute breaker block. Bro, what are you talking about, bro? What breaker block? Were you talking about this one right here? What does this information do for me, bro? What am I supposed to do with this, bro? How did you not catch this move? I caught it. My entry model was not there, bro. I didn't break any rules. Entry shorts? Yeah, I shorted this yesterday, bro. You talking about the short from yesterday? Well, did you join yesterday? Yesterday we caught a win. Think we might take out all-time highs and come down? No. Silly, what are you trying to say, brother? In a 5-minute FAG right now, they'll build more rules and some people try to use all the knowledge for one trade, which will never happen or rarely. But I think no, because it's just too bullish order flow. I mean, what would you target? I don't like trading retracements like that. It's not my style. I don't have a retracement model. I don't trade retracements. I try and be a part of the move, like this move. And if I miss it, come back the next day, bro. You know, I'm not gonna chase it. I'm not gonna be like, damn, my bias was hit perfectly and I didn't catch a move. All right, let me just short. What? Bro, what? What are you talking about, man? Can't be doing that. That's chasing. That's chasing. It's okay to miss the move. You don't have to catch every move. How will they fix this all-time highs? Is untradeable? Yeah, for us it's untradeable. For them, bro, they just probably made fucking billions, bro. Yeah, the macro, possible you can get a retracement then, you get a little bit higher probability if you get the retracement. Your buy is short? No, brother. I was bullish. All my levels were hit. And now I'm just answering questions, bro. Probably not gonna take a trade. I'll stay here and watch, take 1050, 1030. If we start to get some bearish structure, maybe we can look for a long. But I'm not shorting all-time highs. Can you explain the process that you had to arrive to begin to be bullish today? I got you, bro. Stay with me here, all right? Monday goes lower, Tuesday goes lower, touches the daily fair value gap, closes almost above the daily fair value gap. That's your first sign of bullish. You have weekly power of 3 that indicates bullish. That's your second sign. You already have bullish order flow. That's your third sign. Stay with me here. Stay with me. All right. ES, weekly immediate rebalance, and started trading higher. That's your fourth sign. And then your confirmation intraday, for me, is your daily power of 3. That's your fifth sign. And the order flow intraday as well. That's your sixth. So I guess there you go. 6 reasons. 6 reasons I was bullish. And for bearish, 0. I can't think of one reason when I woke up today at 9 to think price was gonna go down, bro. Are we doing chart requests? Yeah, you can request something. I want you to tutorial on Notion. Do you think it's still going to use other paid source? Notion is good, 100%, man. I've journaled probably over like 5,000 trades, bro. I'm not even joking, bro. Like I've journaled so many trades on Notion, but I like this software because I can backtest on it too. I can backtest on this, and I can journal at the same time, and I can also journal. The reason I like this is because I can journal all my models. And it tells me like the trades and the P&L for all of them, you know? So I like this. I like this platform. With Notion, you have to do it manually. This is not free. That's the thing. This is not free. But before, I was really, really broke. And I was not trying to pay. This is like 50 a month. But then also I did pay for, I don't know, most of you guys probably backtest with Forex Replay, right? Forex Replay is like 40 a month. What? Oh, okay. Forex Replay is 40 a month. And this shit's like 50 a month. So to me, it's like you might as well just get the fucking thing, bro. You know, it's low key going down. Why? Because it's one candle. I mean, let's see. My eyes jump to this 15-minute fair value gap. Why people say pay first replay when Trading View? Does Trading View have a good backtest? I don't know. My Trading View, when I backtest on Trading View, would you long for the 15 minutes to all time highs again? No, I don't think so. Unless it aligns perfectly with a PO3, I don't think so. So maybe like 10:30. If we get a PO3, I would probably need a SMT. I'd be breaking rules. I mean, I could trade this in New York continuation, but I would be breaking rules. 15-minute fair value gap. Let's just see what happens. Let's tape read this for now. Let's see. I think you're thinking about it the wrong way, brother. No trades today so far. How would you break your rules? For me to trade this PO3, it would need to be a New York continuation, right? New York continuation. So the PO3 we're trading is London reversal, right? Every day there's a PO3 you're trading. This PO3 is London reversal. But for me to trade it, I would need, yeah, you're right. So a higher time frame PD array to look for a continuation from. But like this 15-minute and continuation, the continuation like already happened. We already hit all-time high. So now I'm just kind of hoping we get another all-time highs. You know, it's not that good. It's not that good, right? What I want to see in my New York continuation, yo, don't spam my chat, bro. I'm using Trading View. This is Trading View. I want to see a retracement before we take the objective. We already took the objective. We didn't retrace. Now we could reverse technically, you know? We could reverse this. I don't know. How much it's going to be very difficult to try and pinpoint whether or not this is a reversal. This could literally be your all-time high, man. This could literally be your all-time high. I don't know. I don't think anybody knows. Probably not, but it could be. You make some operations today, but we'll see how price goes. If we get like a really clean 1030 PO3 and we get the breaker, maybe SMT, we can take like a B setup. 10 a.m. reversal is not playing, bro. We're not reversing this entire move, bro. It's already 10:24 and nothing has happened. Why would I teach everything I know? I mean, I'm live anyways. I just answer questions. Keeps me entertained while I wait for these candles to paint. When do you stop looking for trades? 11:10. Why would you take a B setup? That's what I'm saying, bro. Bro, forgot about 10:30 reversal. Guys, 10:30 reversal is a seek and destroy condition. It's not an everyday. It's only in seek and destroy you look for that 10:30 reversal. Paul knows what's up, though. Paul knows what's up. Yep, you're right, Ethan. That's why I didn't take a trade today, brother. But let's see what happens. What's your longest lose or win streak? My longest win streak is probably like 12 days. You're talking about trades or days? Sometimes I lose in a day, but then I end positive on the day. My longest loss streak, though, too long, bro. Oh, trades. My longest trade streak is not that bad. Probably like five losing trades in a row, maybe six. Usually I win one, but I still end negative. My longest day losing streak, oh man, you don't even want to know. Probably like 8, 9, 10, maybe even, bro. Like 2 weeks straight of losing. Yeah, bro. Been through the trenches on losing streaks, that's for sure. Do you use prop firms? Yes. You think moving slow because of CPI? You think this is slow? Bro, how is this slow, man? This is not slow at all, man. You profitable trust? What does that mean? Right now we're moving slow? Right now we're moving slow because we just distributed all those longs to the objective. So what's not? Imagine your smart money, bro. Imagine you took a long. Everyone just imagine this. Let's put into perspective the smart money narrative, okay? Imagine you longed from, let's say, yesterday's low, okay? And you are going to send this shit higher all the way to the highest liquidity pool. There's no liquidity above here. There's nothing else, bro. There's no one else that you can sell to. There's no one. No one is going to buy your position of 100,000 contracts over here, bro. There's no stop loss. There's nothing there. There's just nothing. You literally have to distribute your positions to the all-time high or to engineered highs. Exactly. You have to engineer highs. So just imagine you did that right here. You went long and you distributed, right? You're in profit, and then boom, you finally hit the liquidity pool. You can finally close your position. Here you have stop losses that you can sell your longs to, right? You finally close your position. So what do you think is gonna happen now, bro? You think they're just gonna be like, all right, sell right now. Go take all the lot. Like, no, bro. They just, it's done. It's done. They did their work. The work is done, bro. The work is done. The only alternative there is, well, yeah, they could start engineering liquidity to send lower, but for example, they engineered like they put in this high. So for anyone who went short, like probably half the chat here was telling me to short, your stop loss is probably around here. So, they can still distribute. It's just not that much engineered liquidity right now. I trade 9:30 to like 11:30. That's usually where I stop. I don't think it's behind, bro. It's the same time. This is 10:28. It's 10:28. Unless you don't have real-time data. Dio, did I trade today? No, bro. Huge retracement back down. I wouldn't say huge, but I do think we can get this 15-minute fair value gap. Yeah, I think about that all the time, which is why I like switched over to more PO3 because ICT has some concepts to me that are like, I'm not saying I don't believe in them, but they're questionable, right? They're somewhat questionable, but there's some things that they literally just, you cannot hide them. You cannot change them unless you change the times of every candle. You can't change them. And that, for me, that's PO3. Like you can't. 9:30 open is 9:30 open. They're not going to change the time the stock market opens, right? They're not going to change how these candles are. Like there's going to be an opening, there's going to be a low, there's going to be a breaker, and it's going to form a body. Like it's going to happen every day. You just need to know how it's going to happen, Like you can't change PO3. You just can't. It happens every single day. So that's why I like focus more on that. Like every move can be explained by power of three, What's up, Trevor? But I definitely did think that, Leon. Did I ever think it wasn't going to work? No, not really. Because as soon as I started learning ICT, I went straight to I watched 2022. I watched like 4 episodes in a row and I went straight to the charts and I was like, all right, is this shit true, bro? Like, no, wait. And then I was like, wait, I see all the reversals, bro. Like, I can see it. Like, They all make sense. PO3 is AMD. Yeah, but it's more than that. For me, it's more than that. It's more than that. How I trade it, it's a lot more than that. If I'm smart money, I'm reversing right now. Bro, toxic? No, you're not, bro. You can't even reverse right now. You haven't even accumulated enough shorts. You can't just, listen, toxic, you can't just click sell at the 100,000 contracts. You can't. It's not possible, bro. It's not possible. You can't just short that many contracts right now. There isn't enough liquidity, you know? For you to short 100,000 contracts, for example, someone needs to buy 100,000. I don't know who the fuck is buying 100,000 contracts at this price, you know? So they're gonna have to maybe send price lower, and then you gotta think in that narrative. Think in that narrative. I'm in 4 months now, learning, no kidding, 10 plus hours every day. I don't have a job, so I hope I get somewhere someday. You will get somewhere. Part 3 happening every 15-minute candle and 1 hour candle. Yeah. Yeah, no quality setups for me today. Nah, no trades for me, brother. Nothing clean. None of my rules were met. Well, some of them were met, but none of my models were met. The 5-minute rebuy here. Yeah, I mean, I can see that. You took a short? You took a short here? I mean, there is a breaker here. It held somewhat. I don't know where else. That's okay, bro. Minus 1%. Is that your normal loss? Did you follow your rules at least? Can you look at US 30? Sure, bro. I'll look at US 30 for you. Why is it so bearish? Damn. 15-minute time frame. Wait, I think I'd wait for this. Where's YM? We fell short of that fair value. You could probably get like something like this on US 30, in my opinion. If it touched the 30-minute fair value up here, that would have been actually pretty nice. But it fell short. Am I the only one that shorted YM today? Probably. You learned something? That's good. That's good, bro. That's good. Let's set an alert. Let's see. I mean, it's already distributing lower. But let's set an alert and just see. NQ, back at NQ. What's happened? Surprising. Nothing so far. Look at Adobe earnings tomorrow. I wouldn't buy Adobe. AMD's down again. Holy shit. Sorry. I'm looking for AMD at 122. Maybe we can buy that. Gold is still distributing. I think we just missed the move, guys. You know, it is what it is. It didn't give us any entries. We didn't break any rules. I don't want to sit here and chase it. What was the hardest concept to learn for you? All the psychology stuff. Nothing about technicals. Do you trade Forex? Yep, sometimes. What are your rules? Alright, so rule number 1, hell no, but I'm not you think it's that easy, bro. Like, I have a playbook. I got a lot of rules. Like, each model has different rules. A lot of them I don't even put on paper because there's just too much. I just know, you know. For example, New York reversal, expansion day has to be an expansion day. Can't look for reversal on a day that's destined to range. Or you get clear manipulation from midnight open in New York session. Identify protected higher low. Lower time frame confirmation is the most basic rules, in my opinion. This is for New York reversal. The best ICT teaching is the psychology motivational videos. I agree, bro. Most people don't trade Asia, Leon. Or they trade like the Asian pairs, like USD, JPY, or a little bit more active in Asia. The Australian dollar. Nah, no trades for me today. You can see probably gonna take out all-time highs yet again. How could people hate? I don't know. People have egos. People in trading have big egos. Price consolidating. It was consolidating. Just a little expansion here. Consolidation. Expansion. Retrace, reversal. right? Let's see what happens next. We don't want to see on Nas. What do I want to see? I don't want to see it dump all the way down. That would be amazing. I don't think that's going to happen, though. Which candle opening, Trevor? Which candle opening? Now we reverse and take all-time highs. You bought? Good luck, bro. Fair value gap. So retracement. I think we go all-time low. Is shorting day? No, it's not a shorting day, brother. It's a buy or go back to sleep day. Or caught the buy or go back to sleep. I'll stay for the 1050 macro. I want to see what 1050 does. I'm curious. Crude oil didn't do much. My advice to you, Dan, is you gotta write out your rules. You gotta write out your rules. Number 2, my biggest advice for you is you need to understand your weaknesses and strengths. If you're stuck in that break-even phase, you need to understand what's keeping you there. Sometimes it's something small, bro. Bro, I was break-even for 3 months because one dumbass rule. I was taking partials at 2R. I was taking partials at 2R. And for like 2 months, I was just like hindering my profits, bro. I was averaging like 1.3R for like 2 months, even though I was catching really good trades, simply because I was partialing at 2R. Like what a small little thing that just kept me at break even. Sometimes it's something small. You need to figure out what's keeping. That's why you got to journal. You know, I would have never found that out if I didn't journal. You trade pre-market if I'm set up. I don't even wake up for pre-market, so never take partials. No. I didn't say that. I just said I don't. Me personally, I don't partial at 2R, because if you partial at 2R, right? If you partial at 2R, listen, everyone listen. Yes, Ethan, that's what you need. You need a plan to partial. Okay? Listen, everyone listen. If you are aiming for 2R, right? If you're aiming for 2R average over a trade, for over like 100 trades, if you're gonna partial at 2, you just ruined your risk to reward. You like that trade now needs to go to 3, 4, 5 if you want to average 2, because you took a partial at 2, right? But if you end up breaking even that trade or hitting stop loss, your risk to reward on average is gonna suck, bro. So you need to figure out that number. No, I wouldn't short this. Like I said, any short is just a retracement. I don't trade that. I don't trade those. I'm not looking to trade the retracement. I'm looking to trade the reversal, the retracement and the expansion. So partials will kill you if you don't know how to do them correctly. I'm not saying don't partial. How's this week been for me so far? We're 2 and 2. We're net positive so far. 2 and 2. We didn't take a trade today. You see the bearish breaker? I'm on my phone. So when does it become invalid? This breaker is never invalid, bro. It was never valid to begin with, because bias and clear drawn liquidity is first of any model. So how I do it, if you guys want to know my management strategy, if my target, let's say my target is under 3 risk to reward. So if my target starts with the number 2, so it's 2R, 2.5, 2.98, if my target is under 3, I just full close the position at my target. All right, that's it. That's what I do. If my target is above 3, Let's say it's 3.1. Let's say it's 4. Let's say it's 5, 6, whatever it may be. If my target is higher than 3RR, I partial at around 3, like at the first objective around 3, and I take 75% of my position off. The rest of it I leave. That way, even if I break even that trade, I'm still averaging 2 risk to reward. Okay? I have a full video on this on my YouTube channel. It's literally called like why partials may be killing your profits or something, bro. Like where you at though? Where is this video? This is my PO3 stuff. This one. Taking partials is ruining your profits. Obviously, I'm clickbaiting you here, but it was ruining mine, you know? And in the video, I actually go in depth. Yep, exactly, Toxic. First step of any trade is where do you think it's gonna go? Why it should go there, and also when. If those three are in line, then your breaker is valid, brother. Clickbait of hell. That actually makes good sense. Trust me, it makes really good sense. I'm telling you guys, bro, because I was literally break even for like 2-3 months because of, I could have withdrawn so much more. But yeah, just appreciate you, Dan. Appreciate you. Why is the short here not valid? Why would price go lower? Why would it go lower? Where do you think it's gonna go at a higher probability? Sometimes I wait for CISD in some of my models, yeah. Buy NQ or selling. I wouldn't, me personally, I wouldn't short anyway. I wouldn't short anything. Appreciate you, Dan. Appreciate you. Welcome to the team, bro. If it's gonna go lower, I would look for this level right here. That's it. Like, that's all. Can you explain CISD? No, I can't. But I can send you a video that can explain it really well. I can explain it, but for me to explain it properly, bro, it's gonna take like 5 minutes, 10 minutes, and you probably still won't understand it. So it's best you just watch the video. CISD, I can teach you what it looks like, but people just always forget. Like, you're not gonna understand the idea, which is the idea. That's what matters. You need to understand why is it actually a change in the state of delivery. It's just not about order block, like, you know, more than that. Why is it actually a change in the state? What does it actually mean to change in the state of delivery, bro? Thank you, anyone. Miss Long, just come back tomorrow. Yep, does bullish as bearish order flow need to have one big up candle or down to be valid? No, simply bullish order flow. Bullish order flow is when you are respecting discount arrays. So the arrays that are lower, you explain it. No way, this guy. Okay, I'll explain CISD. Just give me a sec. Bullish order flow. Bullish order flow is when you respect discount arrays and disrespect premium arrays. Bearish order flow is when you disrespect discount arrays and you respect premium arrays. Okay, let's talk about CISD. I'm not the best trader. I'm still working on my trading. You know, I'm not like, I'm just here answering questions. If you guys want to learn from me, I have no problem. But I still got stuff to work on too, man. You know, I definitely have a lot of weaknesses. Can I see gold? I'm still bullish on gold, man. That's all, bro. Nothing more to say. I think eventually we'll take out the highs here. It's been like that for like a couple days now. Where do I think you can retrace to? These equal lows right here. Okay, you ready? See how we took out the buy side here? Everyone listen. You want to know CISD? Listen. Nope, there's no CISD on the 2-minute chart. That would be down here. Listen, you want to learn CISD? I'm going to explain it. Listen closely. Change in the state of delivery. What does that mean? Change in the state of delivery. So we're changing the state of delivery. What's delivery? You have buy side delivery and sell side delivery. Okay? How do you identify when we changed from buy side to sell side? You need to look at the opening prices of the candles that delivered buy side. For example, bring your attention. Let's go to the micro here. Listen closely. So your last two candles, see, in this case it's two. If there was three, it'd be three. If there was one, it'd be one. They took out this liquidity pool. That's step one. It needs to take out some sort of high because then it's qualified as buy side delivery. Okay. So we took out this high. When did we start this move? This move higher right here. Let's do it like this. When did we start this move higher? Is it right here? No, it's right here. Why is it right here? But this is the opening price. So we started the last move of buy side delivery. Listen closely. The last move of buy side delivery, right? If we can roll over right there and undo that move. So as soon as this candle closed, see how we undid that whole move? Right here. Not here. Boom. So this is your buy side delivery right here. You have buy side delivery because we took out the high. This is where the buy side delivery started. We rolled over. We now changed the state of delivery. We were buy side delivery right here. But as soon as we take out the high and roll over, you look at the opening price of the beginning of the buy side delivery. As soon as we roll over, that is now sell side delivery. That is your change in the state of delivery. Now, this is just a pattern, right? This is just a pattern. It doesn't mean anything unless, right? Unless you're bearish. You say, oh, I think price is going to come here. And then you see this. All right. You got a really good trade then, you know? And then your order block is this. This is your order block. So this is your change of state. It's this price level right here is your change of state. But the order block is the entire range. That is the entire range. So in this case, we came back to the order block. Now going lower. Is this buy side delivery chain of state? No. If this was going to be a buy side chain in the state, it would need to come above here. Notice how we failed to come above here. If you tap into a higher time frame, Peter Ray Daniel, then you definitely also swap liquidity. Have you ever? Yeah, I would love to live in the States, bro. I would love to live in the States. And what is the difference between market structure shift is displacement from an old low or high. So let's say price is going up. If we can boom, shift structure, right? This is shifting. This is just market structure. It's no CISD delivery. It's just clean. You have a higher high and a higher low, and then you make a lower low. You shifted structure, you know? Structure is like this. This is normal. This is a regular bullish structure. But if you come like this, you just broke. Structure broke, you know? You have to use that at the right time. It's not every time that happens. So for example, I'm not going to find a good example here. Forget it. I would draw OTE from the high and trade 0.7 to -1. If that's your model, bro, then keep going. Why not short the OB? Because I don't think price is even going to go lower. So to me, I don't care about this OB. You know, this change in the state forms all the time, you know? If you want to draw it straight, you have to click shift on your keyboard. If you click shift, it'll go straight. You have to look at a high time period, which is all-time high, while yes, it's 4 hour. Yeah, you're right. But listen to me. Notice how long ES has been inside this 4 hour fair value gap. Bro, it's been inside this fair value gap for 1 hour and 7 minutes. If it was gonna go lower, bro, it would have went lower by now, you know? I don't think this is a 1 hour time distortion for the 1050 macro. It's showing zero signs of wanting to go lower. What state? Probably Texas, bro. I could buy a nice, big fucking mansion in Texas. Does a market structure shift need a candle close? I do it with candle close, yeah. Why not short the OB? I don't think it's gonna go lower. If I was bearish, I'd short the OB, sure. But I'm not even bearish. Where are you at now? I'm in Toronto, Canada. Yep, you can use it as a confluence. All right, this is what we have been waiting for. This entire live stream is the 1050 macro. I'm not saying I'm going to trade it, but I want to see what's going to happen. All right, just gain some more experience, gain some more knowledge here. I'm moving out to Texas next year, bro. Texas seems so sick, bro. Oh shit! Wait, hold up. Oh, hold up. Hey, we can maybe get a short here if it wants to run the buy side. Let's give it a wick here. If we get something like this on YM, I'll go short. No jokes. No jokes. What is the CFD and how to mark that? Bro, I'm gonna shoot you, bro. I just had like a 7-minute lecture on changing the state of delivery. So you're gonna have to watch back, bro. YM is the third indice. There's actually three. There's NASDAQ, ES, and then there's YM, which is Dow Jones. It's the third indice. Okay, buddy. All right, 1050 macro. Appreciate the roses, bro. Where you live? I live in Toronto, Canada right now. I'm just a Canadian, bro. Just over here paying very expensive taxes and basically barely affording to live, bro, because shit's fucked over here. Shit's fucked over here, bro. Tell you that much. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. How high is the tax, bro? Man, they taking you, bro. It can get up to like on average, bro. Like let's say you make 250K a year, bro. If you make 250K a year, bro, the taxes go up to like on average for everything you make will be like almost 50, bro. That's not even including like it's almost 50, bro. If you include everything, because there's brackets and it like stacks, but it's fucked, bro. Yeah. And bro, you want to buy a house, bro? Bro, let me show you guys something, bro. Like, bro, let me show you guys something, bro. Like, listen, house for sale, Toronto. Like, let me show you this fucking shit ass house you can buy. Like, bro, like, look at this, bro. Bro, look at this. This fucking shack, bro. I could build this with my bare hands, bro. We could build this with my bare hands. This shit is $1 million, bro. This shit is $1 million. Bro, I could literally build this in 2 days. Like, what is this? Who the hell is gonna pay $1 million to live in this fucking shack? What is this pipe, bro? What? Look at the house next to it. This shit doesn't even belong, bro. This shit, bro, this shit looks like the dog house of the house to the left. Like, what? This shit's $1 million, bro. Like, hell no, man. Like, this shit is fucked here, bro. Bro, this shit has a chimney. There's a chimney in this house. Like, at least the interior is not that bad, actually. They renovated a little bit. Bro, look at the rug, bro. Like, what is that? Looks fucking infected. Look at the freaking washing machine, bro, from 1990, the same one. What is this pillar? What is this weird ass pillar doing here? It's supporting the house? It's just about to break. Like, bro, what is that? Fucking time machine? What is that? Nah, bro, this house. Wait, bro, look at this. You're paying $1 million for this? It looks like a fucking prison, bro. I'm not even. I feel bad for whoever lives here, bro. Bro, look at the oven, man. Bro, I've never even ever seen this oven in my life, bro. And I'm 22. I've never even seen an oven that looks like that, bro. And I'm 22. Bro, look at the fridge, man. Nah, bro, you can't be serious. Look how small the fucking fridge is. The fridge literally looks like a mini fridge, bro. It literally barely fits under the cabinet. Like, bro, this shit's $1 million, bro. I gotta get out of here, bro. That's why trading has to work. Trading has to work, bro. That's what I'm saying. Look at this one, bro. This one's 1.1. Little bit, at least this one, like it has a chimney still, but at least like it's a little bit better. This one's 1.1 million. What is that? Anyways, did YM touch the 30-minute fair value gap? No, I didn't. Look at the chart. I have an alert. Oh, nice. 1050. Okay, so you can see that retracement in 1050. We took out the sell side. We touched the 15-minute fair value gap. We can get an inversion here. Not the worst long, but let's see. I'd rather, YM looks like it'll go lower. I think I'm just gonna tape read this, but let's see. This is US 100, this is NASDAQ. Notice how 1050 came and we're finally seeing some movement. Right, that's what I wanted to see. Yeah, so that. Come here to India, you can get a mansion with acres of land for 500K. That's what I'm saying, bro. We got to get out of here. Aaron is an investing guy. Look retracement shorts into higher time frame, bigger discount. Higher time frame discount, I don't think that's gonna happen, bro. Higher time frame discount is all the way. That's more than 100 points. But you can see 1050 macro is moving. As soon as 1050 hit, come up for trace fair value and then dump. Took out those equal lows that we were talking about. Right, those equal lows. See what happens here. So we're inside the 15-minute bullish fair value gap. I think it's also a 30-minute. Yep, just tapped into 30 minutes. We're forming the hourly. Still forming the hourly. Just watch. I'm just gonna watch this. You can buy the whole neighborhood for 1 million. That's crazy. What's NVIDIA? NVIDIA's at 135. It's still too expensive for me. All the others, yeah, Tesla's 410. Holy shit, man. Tesla's at $410, bro. Bitcoin's at 104,000. Google's at almost 200. The only thing down is AMD. I wouldn't short. Me too, toxic. I know, me too. It's so sad, bro. It was before that one earnings I sold because I was scared because of earnings was coming. And then it fucking went up like 100 points in 2 days. Isn't that a turtle soup? Turtle soup is an entry model. So I don't know what you mean. Who would have caught this trade? Damn, I would have never caught this trade. But let's see what happens. I'm here to watch. I'm not interested in any shorts personally. We're also forming the hourly fair value gap. So notice how like we're probably gonna keep going lower. Once we form the hourly, we'll probably tap in, right? So any long nows, you're probably just gonna get cooked because we're just forming an hourly fair value gap from wherever we are. I mean, damn, that candle is crazy, bro. 170 points. How do you trade? Can you explain? It's gonna take a long time to explain, bro. YM never touched the 30-minute fair value gap. Otherwise, I would have shorted. I would have shorted if it touched. Did it touch the 15? No, it didn't touch. If it would have touched, did US 30 touch? No, it didn't. Yeah, if it touched, I would have shorted. Yeah, the PO3 book. I have a trading book. It's free. It's in my Discord. That's how I trade. What's after expansion? Reversal or retracement? Either. It's one or the other. In my opinion, this is retracement. I don't think we're reversing. Yep, you just got to figure out which one. Use your bias to determine. Don't trust any long. I wouldn't trust any long yet. We're still forming the hourly. Please, can you give me if gold can pass 2720? Is that up or down? If it's up, then yes. I think eventually. Well, it depends. Are you holding it long term? No, in my opinion, gold can come all the way up here, bro. I think that's pretty easy for gold right now. Why don't you trust it long? Because the hourly fair value gap is just formed right now. So we just put in a huge hourly imbalance. So I think we can get another manipulation leg lower. That's what I'm trying to say. It's also possible that we take the buy side and then go lower to the hourly fair value gap. See this huge hourly fair value? It's forming right now. 3 seconds left. Would I long the inversion to buy side? Yeah, I did something like this. Nah, I wouldn't. Take care, Wenham. Appreciate you, bro. Taking trades? No, no trades today. When was your first trade? Do you call? My first trade ever was like my first trade on a funded or a paper was January last year, January. How much money did you make this year? Including stocks or no including stocks? Possible good long if your trade is higher. I want to see do this. Not including just from payouts, like 3K US, including stocks, almost 10K. When did you start? I got my first funded on January 31st. That's when I got my first ever funded account. Yeah, I want to see it go lower. It's also possible that it takes the buy side and then comes down. Nope, I have two charts, just two charts. NQ and ES. When did you start trading ICT? I started trading ICT last year, November. You trade PM session? Sometimes. Not usually, but sometimes. There is higher time frame SMT, yeah. There is one there. I wanted to test the hourly fair value, yeah. There's nothing wrong with PM session. I just don't like I don't like staying in front of the chart the whole day, you know? I can be patient for two hours, maybe 2.5, but I can't be patient for another session, bro. I'll lose my mind. Like I can't sit there and be like, all right, waiting for the macro. Let's see if I can only do that once per day, bro. Like I'm not, you know. And I like AM session more, anyways. I like trading in the morning, and then I do whatever I want for the rest of the day, you know. I also back tested. All my back testing was mostly from the morning session. So, is there a world where I take this trade? It's still bad. Let's just see if it works out or not. Let's just see. Hypothetically speaking. Hypothetically speaking. I would not take this. Do you work? I work part time, yeah, but sometimes very clean. Yeah, nothing wrong with PM at all, man. Nothing wrong with PM session at all. Nothing wrong with PM session. I just favor the morning session. Took me 3 years to make a payout, all because I was delusional about my expectations. I know, man. It's always like the littlest thing that holds you back, and it can hold you back for so long, man. Trust me, I feel you on that, bro. Trust me, I feel you. Yeah, this is probably gonna take out the buy side before it goes lower. Can you give me an entry in gold? I wouldn't enter now. It's too expensive. I wouldn't enter now. I'd wait for tomorrow. If tomorrow can do something like this, maybe you get a retracement tomorrow. I'd have to wait. Yeah, personally, I'd have to wait. Or next week will be really good because then you have this order block to play off of. So next week will probably. So this week's probably going to keep going. Next week will probably come down a little bit, and then you can look for a long from there, targeting all-time highs. I'm probably going to do that on my Forex account. No setup for him. If it touched the hourly fair value gap and then inversed, I would have went long. But because it left the hourly open, see, there's a huge hourly fair value gap. There's no PD array supporting my trade, you know? There's no setup. It's just the 1 minute, right? Inverted the 1 minute. Yeah, maybe we can take the buy side. Nothing interesting here. Have you gone to college? Yep, I do have I have a 4-year degree. I have a 4-year degree. I have a degree in exercise science. Do you think ACG is a good prop firm? I have no idea what that is, bro. Yeah, if you don't have a set TP, you said set TP. Yeah, if you don't know where it's gonna go, then don't trade it, you know? My rule. Wicks are FEGs in 1 hour? Yes. So this sell side liquidity right here is just the hourly fair value gap low. So you can be a personal trainer. I could be a personal trainer, yeah, if I wanted to. I used to be one. What made you want to trade? I just saw the potential, you know? I saw the potential and I loved it. If we get an SMT here, nah, it's already outside the macro. I'll probably just leave it. We were patient all the way. There's a chance that we get something like this into lunch, going into lunch. I'm not gonna sit here and wait for it. Porsche making trade. Yeah, I want to Porsche, bro. You got me. But you know what it is too? Like, there's no job here, bro. Like, bro, you guys saw the house, bro. That house was $1 million, bro. Bro, I couldn't even buy that house if I wanted to. Like, what the fuck do I do, bro? Like, you have to figure out another way, bro, you know? Like, I don't want to be stuck with that fucking house, bro. Oh, I don't want this house, bro. I don't want this house for 1.1 million, bro. Look, bro, and it's only increasing. Like, it's literally only increasing, bro. Like, bro, I'm not trying to put my family in that house in the future, bro. Yeah, you have to go into an apartment. Apartment's still expensive, bro. Like a one bedroom, a nice, clean, new one bedroom apartment is like 700,000. If you want a clean new one, you want an old one, you can get like 600. How are you able to balance trading in college? Bro, I used to trade in class, bro. I put in like very little effort into school and I traded in class. I got like two of my payouts of the three. I got them in class, bro. Like dead ass. I was in class trading, bro. I was like on my laptop and I was trading. Teacher thought I was like following the notes, bro. Hell no, bro. I was trading. All my classes were morning, bro. All my classes were 8 to 11 and then like 2 to 3. Or 8 to 11 and 12 to 3. And yeah, bro. I was just trading in class. Yeah, I graduated. Moved to Iraq and buy a village. Iraq's scary, bro. I'm not trying to die. Is Puerto Rico good to live in because of low taxes? Yeah, a lot of people go to live there. Trading is the last hope if you want to live in Canada. What's your opinion on college? Did you graduate? My opinion is if you have a job that you want to have, for example, I don't know, plumber, engineer, if there's a job that you want, college is your answer, bro. Right? If there isn't a job that you want, well, then why are you going to college, bro? That have an internship? Yes. Where are you from? Where were you from? What do you mean, where was I? Like, born? Is there even some? Oh, Toronto is very fun. Yeah, I love Toronto. I can't lie. I like the city. There's always something to do. There's so much food. Like, there's so many options. I like Toronto. Maybe if we get the inversion here. Nah. I won't forgive myself if I take a trade and lose. I'm gonna be tilted, you know? I know myself. If I take a trade now, after waiting the entire day, and I lose, and I know it's not like A plus conditions, like I know I'm gonna be annoyed, you know? I'll be annoyed with myself. So I'm just gonna leave it. It's already 11:08. The macro's done. This was the move for the macro. Are you in? No, no, we're not in. I'm gonna clear the charts here and make sure I don't take a trade. I know myself, bro. If I take a trade and lose, it's gonna stick with me the rest of the day. Because I know I should have just not. So I'm just gonna leave it there. African parents are different? Yeah, I've heard, bro. Did you learn ICT just from YouTube channel? Yes, all from YouTube. What are your A plus conditions? I mean, ideally you're longing in a discount. It depends on the model, right? Today, the model I was looking for was a New York continuation. Okay, New York continuation, which means I need to see a retracement in New York, right? Which never happened. So this was the only retracement right here, right? This was the only retracement. And you can see it did deliver the move higher. This wasn't too clean. But yeah, you could have, like you said, you could have traded it, you know? Bullish fair value gap, 15-minute fair value gap, 2.5 R. Yeah, you could have, you know? It's a nice B setup. Not bad. But the retracement is so shallow that I just don't trust it that much, you know? And it's gonna be shallow. It's not gonna be clean. You never know how far it can retrace. But there you go, you know? That's the setup right there. If I would be breaking rules. 15-minute fair value gap. That's your 15-minute fair value gap. There's your bullish fair value gap. No change. Oh, there's a change in the state right there. Bullish fair value gap. If you go to the 15-second chart, you'll see a 1 minute. You'll see a 15-second 2022 model, and then your inversion continuation right there. Like it's there, but yeah, I'm not gonna force this. You know, I don't listen. I'm okay not being a part of the move. You know, that's the thing. I don't feel like I missed anything. I don't feel like, oh no, I had to take that. Like I didn't have to take it. You know, you never have to trade. You know, I'm happy just to sit here and be like, yeah, this might play out. Let's see what happens. And it played out, and I was like, okay, interesting, nice. Next day, you know, next day, you know, even if your model forms and you miss it, so what, bro? All right, it's fine, it's fine. You didn't lose any money. Relax. You're not on tilt. Just take the next. I didn't take any trades today. PO3, yeah, it does work outside the. It works. You can't. Every candle is a PO3 for sure. 100%. You just have to do it from the opening price. Where's my model? Today, that's the only way my model formed. This is the only one. Right there, the one I just drew up. I'll just go back. I didn't take the trade. I didn't take the trade today. No trade today. This is the only time my model formed. This 15-minute fair value gap. Right there. So from this, if I were to take it, if someone said, go, Gaddy, where would you have taken a trade? This is where I would have taken it. This is the only one. This is hindsight, obviously. I wouldn't actually take. I wouldn't take this. I mean, I didn't take it. I ignored this, but this is it right here. 15-minute fair value gap. That's your retracement, and move higher. Why didn't you take it? It's not A plus. It's not even A. I wouldn't even barely give it a B. The retracement is too shallow. We're too far in premium. We could just continue to consolidate. Like we don't need to run these highs. There's no need to, you know. It doesn't need to come up here. It already ran the buy side, so it easily could have just, you know, just came here, you know, fizzled out. There's no volatility. It's 11, right? We already expanded. It's never going to be A plus. And at the end of the day, we're still consolidating. Look, we didn't even take the high. It's going to be, you know, it's not a clean drawn liquidity. Your dumbass shorted. Yeah, you can't be shorting this one. I don't know about that. I used to short these all the time. The simple rule is never short all-time highs. Another rule is don't short into a bullish imbalance. Like look how order flow is bullish. As soon as we come and touch that 15-minute imbalance, like you're either break even or TP, bro. Like one or the other. Otherwise, it's too likely that you made a mistake, you know? Will this be your last trading week of the year? No, I'll be live every day. You said it was gonna go towards highs. You called it? Yeah, I mean if I had to pick a direction, like I said, I would predict this. Like they engineered these highs, sent it, jumped it. It's not A plus for me. Not A plus. No need to take it. I'm not in a rush. I'm here to follow my rules, build discipline. Do you have any days you don't trade? 3 days I don't trade. I don't trade FOMC morning. I don't trade when Powell is speaking, and I don't trade the day before NFP. That's it. That's all. I go live every day at 9:15 a.m. Eastern time. Won't price be choppy near Christmas? Yes, it will, brother. Yes, it will be. You shorted the macro? The macro move was pretty nice. You can see the macro. Like all this movement was inside the macro here. Macros, man. It's a real thing, man. It's a real thing. It's beautiful. You call out your trades? Yeah, I trade live. You guys do what you will do with that information. I trade live. Just make sure you're okay losing. Can't wait for Christmas price action. That's just gonna put me under a bridge. Real. Yeah, I ended up taking the buy side there. So just clean move. Ended up being clean at least. In your model, you take the first hit for T1, repeat rate, wait for the first hit. It depends. If I'm trading a retracement, so say price retraces and I'm expecting continuation, I wait for the inversion. I need to see an inversion. If there's no inversion, then I wait for the breaker. That's how I trade that. So here, what's my model? It would be this. It would be this. But I know there's an inversion here on the lower time frame, so that's why I marked out this fair value. This is also an inversion, and on the lower time frame, this is your breaker. It's hard to see it right now. I don't have the 15-second chart with TradingView, but I know it's there. Starting all-time high tomorrow is a bad idea. Yeah, tomorrow I'd probably expect retracement and then somehow higher. I don't know to where. Do macros work on Forex? 100%. Yes, they do, brother. I'm guessing YM. Yeah, YM ended up playing out. It's unfortunate. It never. I would have shorted YM here. See this inversion? That's what we're looking for. It just never tapped that higher time frame PD array, so we didn't get to take the short. I mostly enter off the 1 minute, but I always do this. If you look at me when I'm entering, I'll do this. I'll scan two. I'll just scan through. Just quickly look through the 5 time frames on the 1 minute. And that's how I do it, just to make sure I'm not missing anything. Confirmation key. I would want a reversal for high time frame discount, but if it's just yeah. Hey man, who knows? Maybe this is your all-time high. Who knows? You do the same, yeah. That's the best way to do it. So we still be trading near Christmas time. I will be trading, yeah. I'll be trading my still just one account. I'll only be trading the one. Usually I trade multiple accounts, but we're only gonna be trading one Apex funded so far. I mean for now, in December. See if we can get a payout with one account. Hopefully build some discipline, confidence. When are you scanning time frames? What are you looking for? Just other fair value gaps. So sometimes, for example, let's see here. Like for the 3 minute, I'm saying, yeah, there's a 1 minute bullish, but we haven't inversed the 3. But then I see, oh, on the 3 minute, we got the inversion right there. So the setup's pretty nice on the 3 minute right there, We just scanned through. Oh, the 5 minute, the 5 minute inverse there. But on the 1 minute, we didn't inverse. See, we just kind of like scanned through for confirmations. Can you draw a Christmas tree on your charts while waiting? I'm probably gonna go make breakfast now, but sure, we can draw a Christmas tree. So W Christmas tree or what? Longs on YM. I mean, it's just ranging. I'd probably expect those equal lows to get taken. I mean, there's equal highs as well. Yeah, it's some. I'd probably look for a short here. I don't know if it gives confirmation. Get the CISD, maybe. I don't like that we left the equal lows. I mean, we did touch the rejection block. Yeah, maybe it is longs. It's not clear. It's just ranging though, either way. So you just have to play the range. Bro, are you cross-eyed? What is that Christmas tree, bro? What do you want me to do? You want me to get a fucking... Like, bro, what? This is a fire-ass Christmas tree, bro. If not, if you don't think this is a fire Christmas tree, bro, you're just greedy, bro. Like, come on, bro. Okay, how about now? Like, okay, let's fix this up a little bit. Bro, that's fire. What are you talking about? What do macros do? But never dive deep into them. Honestly, bro, my most recent video will explain it better than I'm going to in the next 1 minute. So I would just watch that, bro. If you want to, I'll put the link. Wonk, yeah, tree. Beautiful. Looks like YM will continue. And you got the breaker. Yo, YM actually delivers pretty nice. Might have to take more consideration into it. Looks like we'll go to those equal highs. Has ICT made you profitable? Yeah, I'd say so. The 5-minute MBD was the protocol. The M3 didn't. The M5. I don't really have a specific protocol for that. It's kind of just conviction, you know? For example, let's say I mark out the 3 minutes fair value gap. The 1 minute didn't inverse, but the 3 minute did. But it looks like it's going to inverse, so I would trust it, you know? I would say, you know what? We got the 3 minute inversion. I trust that we're going to inverse the 1 minute, for example. But let's say it doesn't look like it. Then I say, you know what? I'm going to wait for a little bit more. How can you be more disciplined? Your discipline build, brother, outside the charts, not inside the charts. If you're not disciplined in real life, if you can't even go to the gym consistently, how are you going to trade, bro? Consistently with discipline. You got to build your discipline outside the charts. That's my opinion. I don't think you can just keep trading over and over and just build discipline. I think you have to do it outside the charts. Chill, chill, chill. You don't need the gym. I mean, you can be disciplined in something else, bro. I don't know, play an instrument every day. Do what you gotta do. But yeah, I think discipline comes outside the charts. I like the fact that the likes are growing. The likes are growing. That's good. That's good. One thing I don't know where you get this much energy to speak nonstop. You right. I mean, I sleep like 9-10 hours. I try my best to sleep 9 hours. Any less, and I don't sleep good, bro. Don't need to buy TradingView Premium to get real time data. You need at least the essential pack, yeah. Cause yeah, you're gonna need it. At what age did you start? I started at 21. Now I am 22. I'm doing SMC. SMC and ICT are the same thing, brother. All right, looks like we are done for today. My bias, we'll come back tomorrow. It's unfortunate we had another all-time high, but who knows? Maybe we get a breaker here, bro. Like that would be great. Imagine we get a breaker. That would be beautiful. Which pack can you show right now? It's the cheapest one. I got the cheapest one. I think it's called the Essential. If you get a funded account or eval on TraderVate, you won't need to buy TradingView. That's true. So Trex or T-Rex trades. If you get an account with, let's say, TopStep X or TradingVate, then you don't need the real-time data. You can just sign in to TraderVate and it'll work out. 21, so much progress. Appreciate you, bro. I still have a long way to go. I have a lot of knowledge. I still need to work on executing, though, you know? That's where I lack confidence, psychology, you know? Psychology is everything, man. Wait, you don't need to do eval? No, you have to do the eval still. I'm just saying you don't have to pay for lifetime data. Which prop firm do you use? I use Apex. I use My Funded Futures. I use TopStep. And I also use Funded by Traders. That's my Forex account. I have a Forex account too. This is my Forex account. We're up on this one 26. Well, I need 850 to pass. 870. But it's hard to find times to trade. Like usually I just trade Asia, but it's hard because I'm usually not free. But I do have a Forex account as well. Thoughts on Funded Next? Honestly, bro, never heard about them. If we trade with TraderVate, we don't need premium. Yes, then you'll have to pizza. Toxic? That's toxic, bro. That's toxic. Toxic's being toxic. All right, well, anyways, I'm going to head out, brothers. I'm going to go make some breakfast. I appreciate everyone coming through on TikTok and on YouTube. Do you have trading rules with TopStep? Yep, every prop firm has trading rules. If you're going to sign up, I recommend you read them. TopStep's my #1 futures prop firm. For those of you who are watching on TikTok, I also am live streaming on YouTube. So same live stream every single day. I'm trying to hit 3,000 subscribers. So if you want to come over to YouTube chat, I would appreciate you guys coming through. We didn't take any trades today, Sam. Our model did not form today. I appreciate everyone coming through. I'll see you guys every single day. 9:15 a.m. Eastern time, same time every day. We're here until I'm driving a Lamborghini. Then I'll stop streaming. All right. Peace out, brothers. Peace out, Paul. Peace out, Trevor. T-Rex. How to buy a prop firm account for futures? Just go to the website, bro. Just go to the website, TopStep, log in, start a trading combine, 50K, select, and then you're all good, bro. buy or sells today. I was looking for buys, but my model did not form, so we did not take anything. Take care, Sarvan. Take care, Damon. Peace out, brothers. Peace out. See you guys tomorrow.